In Wooster, there's something special about planting roots. You now have the opportunity to do just that, thanks to Clear Creek Run. This is your chance to build a new 3+ bedroom home in the desirable Wooster School District. We make building here easy with no construction loans and our simple and transparent buying process. Plus, we include an initial landscaping package and all of your appliances, even your washer and dryer. So all you have to do is move in, not to mention all the money this saves you. As you enter the community, you'll notice the rolling hills and cul-de-sacs while still maintaining a nice country feel. Wake up every morning to beautiful pond or wooded views that will make you proud to call Clear Creek Run your home. Imagine hosting your first Friendsgiving in your brand new home. The kitchen island and wide open concept will make your home everyone's favorite hangout spot. Part of what makes Wooster so great is its central location, while also having so much shopping, dining, and entertainment right in your backyard. Routes 30, 83, and 585 make traveling in any direction easy. You've waited long enough. Clear Creek Run is your chance to build your dream home in this growing location. Want to know how you can take advantage of making the dream of living at Clear Creek Run a reality? Take action today and click the orange button to see how this community can make living that much better.